the work that you guys have done will impact more people over the long run. Aaron Gordon, NBA champion. My experience is, it's hard to even put into words, absolutely incredible. Some between the volunteers, the sum is incredible. One of the volunteers said, whatever you're looking for, you'll find it here. And I did, so I'm just sending my love back to all the volunteers. Thank you guys for all the work you guys have done, and congratulations. How you guys have put this temple together, I think over a duration of time, over a long period of time, is going to have a greater impact than an NBA championship. They were absolutely beautiful. The intricacies and the details and all the carvings is just like absolutely mind-blowing and inspiring in so many different ways. I think the whole thing is really inspiring. It's really pure. There's like a certain level of purity to it. Just the ability to come from so many different walks of life and so many places and all come together and contribute to something that's bigger than themselves and to accomplish something great. I think you need to be devoted to something outside of yourself. So there's a lot of love here. I'll be back for sure.